is up everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. And yes, I'm starting this vlog on my phone. Yes, I'm going back to Wales. I woke up at 3 o'clock. That's Dave in the GTR and the 600 LT is joining us. What a day this is going to be, but what a long day it will be. I don't know what to expect, but we're heading to Anglesey. There's Dave. Yeah, let me get some food. I don't know where we are. I am shattered. So we are about 2.5 hours into the journey, about another 2.5 hours. I've got my Greg's sausage roll, or whatever you call it, sausage bap, I don't know. But check out the little crew, Chiro and Ollie in the transit van with me, of course, in the back. And we've got Ash's 600 LT. And then you might recognise this, GTR Dave from Blue Square Recruitment, the GTR I got for Dad's birthday. So all three of us in a line. I still can't really speak at all as I'm half asleep. Now, this being such a crazy flamethrower, I can heat my sausage sandwich with the exhaust. So I've just woken up. There's Ash with the LT, and I'm pretty sure we must be in Wales. Looking at them hills, and we've also got a massive puffin there, which is the biggest puffin I've ever seen in my life. So we have made it to Anglesey track. Wow, a 4.5 journey, 3 o'clock start, and yeah, my mind is pretty tired. Derange have got their big truck. There's racing minis, you've got the Speciale, the 48 Challenge, C63, the 600 LT, GTR, a lot of cars here. There's Hawks going over, which sound phenomenal. The fighter jets and everything, it's where they do the testing on the outskirts of Wales, and yeah, it's amazing. The weather's great, although it's cold. I'm not complaining because I'm just so grateful to be here, and it's just another day to enjoy, another normal day with petrolheadonism. Wow. So here is the big sign, Anglesey Circuit, and look how good the 600 LT looks. How cool is that? And then Dave's GTR. Matching the sign, actually.
I wasn't on it. I got hooked on it. Keep like those. Yeah.
quick 5-minute walk and I've probably found one of the best views of Anglesey track. Look at that view, the sea behind. The Ferrari 488 Challenge Evo is hooning around with Ollie Brown driving it right now, giving out passenger rides, which hopefully I'll be able to get the chance. I just need to film this. Let's see more of it and less talking of me. Sounds amazing. And how quick it just accelerates. Jesus. And you might be wondering why it isn't like ear-piercing loud, because we're at a track and it's testing today. Not like a track day, it's track testing. There is a noise limit, so hence why they have got probably a noise diffuser, whatever you call it, on the car, so it isn't that loud. But my God, it does look amazing. That is incredible. 2 hawks flying over. Holy moly. Lunch, I've got a Red Bull, a couple of Pringles, and there's quite a selection here, and look at them mini eggs. Literally, you couldn't ask for a better day. Knowing Wales and knowing what Anglesey is like, right next to the sea, this is normally chucked with rain, and you know, as Wales normally has awful weather, and we are only in April. The weather is unbelievable. Slight bit of wind, we are on the coast, so you cannot complain about that, which I'm definitely not. And yeah, so another, like I said, sighting lap they have to do just to make sure they know the track, and hopefully I'll be jumping in with Ollie in the 488 Evo. Oh my, that is going to be fun. But apparently it's quite claustrophobic with your helmet on and everything. And of course there's always one. Ash forgot to do the sighting laps, and now he's gone now. What is he like? I'm sorry, but I'm just going to have to show you guys the view again. Look at this. You cannot tell me this is England. Blue sky, blue sea. Wow. And here comes the cars again.
this is with gone off tyres as well. They'd have much more. They'd have a lot more grip than this normally. I'm just rolling it off now.
Man, that was insane. Oh my God. So I have just been out in the Ferrari 488 Challenge Evo with Ollie Brown. Yes, he can drive. More than I thought, better than what I thought. I knew he was a professional racing driver, but my God. And apparently he's beaten the record by 2 seconds here. That was phenomenal. Just feeling the whole experience, coming down and seeing the sea view, and hopefully I caught it all on the GoPro and my reaction. That was absolutely phenomenal. Literally a bucket list moment. Going around Anglesey track in the 48 Evo, the challenge version. Literally speechless. On lap 3, I was starting to feel my lunch, gritted my teeth and pulled it out for a total of 6 laps. But that was something else. And I definitely need another 10 minutes just to let that sink in, I think. ride in a 600 LT around Anglesey circuit. So, as if the 488 Challenge Evo wasn't enough, I've just been out with Ash in the 600 LT, and let's just say that is enough for me today. My stomach loved that, and I know that is my limit. I think we did about 7 laps in it, and it's genuinely because it's so hot today with the helmet on. I don't get claustrophobic, I don't get any of that, but it was so hot. That's what kind of made me feel a bit, ooh, wishy-washy. That was incredible. Honestly, that was amazing. Going around Anglesey track in a 600 LT. Like I said, that was amazing, but have a look at this tyre. It has been absolutely shredded. So we're coming up to the end of the day. It's about 4:30, and I thought, why not position myself on the hairpin. Chiro is about to go out in the 48 Challenge Evo with Jason, and then the 4.5 hour journey back to home will begin. So if we leave roughly about 5, back-ish 9, 10-ish, to be fair, not too bad. I'll just whack on a ready-cooked meal, probably a, I don't know, Indian or something. I couldn't eat that last night. Christ knows, not with this journey. But I've said it way too many times in this video, but you do not understand this in person. The view right here, the mountains, how blue the sky and sea look. Ah. Now, while I was waiting for the car, is it me or this cloud looks like a dinosaur's mouth, like a T-Rex? I might be going crazy right now, but that to me looks like the jaw, the face and the body. Am I going crazy, or is that a dinosaur right there? So, I've just had a phone call from Chiro saying the 48 Challenge isn't actually going to go round anymore. But what is this sound coming over? Now, is this another Hawk or jet fighter or something? Hopefully you can hear that over the wind noise. That sounded insane. So, whatever was in the sky now is pretty much gone, but that sounded insane. But the walk back to the red camper van from Be Cool Performance, and yes, what a day, but time to go home. So, where do I even begin with today? Going out in the 48 Challenge Evo with Ollie Brown, and then going in Ash's 600 LT. We've got Jason Speciale behind me. Wow, what a day it's been. Literally a 3 o'clock start, about 4.5 hours here. We've still got on the way back home and I'm hoping I'm gonna sleep. But the weather, we're in Wales, why is it not raining? And yeah, today's been absolutely insane. Thank you so much for watching this mad vlog. It's been crazy coming down here, and we have still got the 4.5 hour journey back home, but I'll be sleeping, and very kindly, Alex will be actually driving us home, because Ollie will be absolutely shattered, because I don't know how he does it. I mean, I've had it enough. I know for a fact myself, that's me done for the track. But yeah, that was some experience. So, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Let's go back.